1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Figure 8. 5, 6, 7, and shimmy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Center. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hi everyone, welcome. This is your belly dance teacher Maria here at your favorite dance school online with my 15-minute class, which is part of a series of 8 videos going from beginner to advanced. First thing, before we start, you know what to do, right? Hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell too so you know when we post new videos. It would be great if you leave a comment and please like this video and share. And also, thank you so much for tagging us in all of your great videos. I really want to see all of you doing my routine. Also, check out our channel for more classes in hip-hop, yoga, salsa, street jazz, Pilates, African dance, Afrobeats, and more. Okay, everyone, let's do this. So, we have our drop with the foot flick, right? Remember? Always dropping the hip, standing leg nice and loose. And then we're going to do our grapevine, but we're going to add on a little shimmy. So this is good to practice slow. We did shimmies in our last video, and now we're going to take it on a moving step. So you're here, when you put that left foot down to step, start to shimmy the hips. Open with the right, shimmy, step behind, shimmy. We really don't do it on the last one. It's really just 2 steps. So you're here, your left foot is in front, you step forward, shimmy, out, shimmy, behind, and up. Stepping forward with the right, forward, shimmy, out to the left, shimmy, and then we have our turn. Okay, so as you're practicing this, you can do the shimmy on each step as you put your weight down. That's going to feel, that's really going to give you the feeling of the movement. But as you practice and progress, you want to try to keep that going all the way through, even in the in-between spaces, right? So shimmy, 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 touch. Shimmy, 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 touch. Shimmy, 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 touch. But for now, as you're starting to learn it, always get that shimmy when you put your weight down on the foot. So you're here, drop, kick, shimmy, open, shimmy, behind and up, drop, kick, shimmy, open, and step behind for the turn. Let's try that a little bit faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and drop, kick, 1, 2, 3, up, drop, kick, 1, 2, and turn. Again. 5, 6, 7, and drop, kick, 1, 2, 3, up, kick, 1, 2, 3, turn. One more time. A little slower and then fast. Drop, kick, 1, 2, 3, up, drop, kick, 1, 2, behind, up. Faster again. 5, 6, 7, and drop, kick, 1, 2, 3, up, drop, kick, 1, 2, 3, up. Good job. Let's go on to our next movement, and then we'll put that all together with music. So we have our, we start on our right, sorry. Start on our right with our Hagala walk forward. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And on those quick ones, you're gonna add a little bit of a shimmy too. So think of your shimmy, you're going down on that step each time, right? So think of your shimmy as just a 1, 2, down, 1, 2, down, 1, 2, down, 1, 2, down. With each step you take on those downs, you have to come up. So if I'm stepping down on my right for the step, I have to come up to transfer my weight anyway, so you're already starting the shimmy there. You're stepping down and just push that hip up, and then the other hip, the left up. Then go down, up, up, 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 down, up, up. So remember, the hips are tilting up and down, not pushing out or sliding side to side. And we practice those up and down hips in video 1. So down, up, up, 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 down, up, up. Good. We're going to speed those up a little later, but let's try this whole thing a couple of times with the music. Okay? Ready? Good, nice. Arms up here, and 5, 6, 7, and drop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, again. Ready. And 5, 6, 7, and drop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, everyone. Let's take a quick drink of water. Don't forget to drink water. Okay, I'm having so much fun with you guys today. I'm so happy to share this dance space with you. Thank you so much again for coming to class. Let's get back to it. We have some more dancing to do. Okay, so adding on to this combo, remember your arms that we learned in video 1 with the grapevine. So they're the same. 2, 3, 4, swoop, up, kick, drop, kick, swoop, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. And we're going to, just like we did in video 1, we're going to speed up the second half of that count of 8 with the walk forward. So the first 2 are going to be slow like we just did them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 4 will be 5, 6, 7, 8. So work on that walk, the down, up, up. So down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up. Keep the movement small. You can have a nice twist that will make it look big, but those ups and downs, very little. Down, up, up, 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 down, 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 up, up. And remember, in video 1, we talk about that hip down. Down, up, up, 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 up. Good. 2, 3, 4. So we have slow, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's when it turns into a type of shimmy, right? Different shimmy than our other shimmy. but a type of shimmy. Again, so we have 1 and a 2 and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7 and 1 and a 2 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. Let's do all of that with music and those faster shimmies at the end. 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Remember to keep a nice strong hip drop and flick. That flick of the leg is coming from the hip. Ready? And 5, 6, 7 and drop, kick, drop, kick. 1, 2, 3, up, drop, kick, drop, kick. 1, 2 and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Ready? And 5, 6, 7 and drop, kick, drop, kick. 1, 2, 3, up, drop, kick, drop, kick. 1, 2, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, everyone. Remember, if you did video 1 and 2 and you feel pretty comfortable with the movements, you can do this video just to put it all together. We're gonna go into the combos from video 2 now. So you don't have to add the embellishments just yet. You can just practice everything together, and you can keep coming here to learn these embellishments, the shimmies, and the extra things that I'm adding onto the movements. But don't feel like you have to add them right away. All right, so we walked forward with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, our combo from video 2, our figure 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's, as we're doing this movement now, these figure 8s, let's add a little bit more of a sway to it. So just take that circle and really think of letting your hips swing and fall forward. So you get a little bit of a suspension. So you drop and up. Just swing forward and up. Forward and up. Still have the same nice, smooth, even circle. Just add a little bit more emphasis to the front. Forward and up. And give yourself a nice hug. Good. So we have push to the right, left, and circle. 6, 7, 8. Push right, left, and circle. Good. 1, 2. Pushing with the palms along with the hip. You're going to get them all connected. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure that your hips twist as you come into the center. So if you're not twisted when you come into the center, then you're making a circle, not a figure 8. You're making an oval or something. So twist, 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 twist. And we want that nice turn of the palms, pushing out and out. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, fall forward, 6, 7, 8. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little faster. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, Good job. Let's put that onto our previous combo. We'll do it slow a couple of times. Great job, everyone. Make sure you hit that subscribe and notification button. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for taking my class. Bye.